In this video, how to check if you have Windows 10 or Windows 11 USB bootable drive. For example, let's say you have a USB bootable drive with a generic name and you're unsure which Windows edition it contains. Start by plugging the USB drive into your computer. Once connected, open the Drive and File Explorer. Navigate to the Sources folder on the USB drive. Sort the files in this folder by size to identify the largest one. Look for a file named either install.vim or install.esd. Once you've found the file, select it. Hold down the Shift key, then right-click on the file and select Copy as Path from the context menu. Next, right-click on the Windows Start icon and choose Windows Terminal Admin. If you're using Windows 10, choose PowerShell Admin instead. In the terminal window, run the following command. Right-click to paste the file path you copied earlier. You'll now see a list of the Windows editions stored on the USB bootable drive. In this example, the USB drive contains Windows 11, and the list shows editions like Home, Pro, or Enterprise. Each edition is associated with an index number. With the index number, you can retrieve additional details about the image. Let's add the index number at the end of the command. These details include the Windows version, build number, supported languages, and more. Another example is if you have a Windows 10 bootable USB drive with the Vim file format. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.